Here's a 2014 Audi A7. Beauty, grace, exhilaration. This A7 is a completely original piece of street art. And even more people can come along as seating capacity goes from 4 in 2013s to 5 in the 2014s. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, multi-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds while the A7 might not be for everyone, it's certainly a best of both worlds sort of car, delivering style and substance in almost equal amounts. With a passion for performance, this A7 has a powerful, smooth engine and spirited handling. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.